Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a Windmaster petrol lighter for Texas Auto Transport Inc. that appears to have been a Safe Driver Award for an employee of the company. It is a very colorful lighter. The graphic includes 4 colors of paint, a couple shades of red, white, and then I believe that's black. And then the chrome silver tone color in the background. This lighter shows wear, scuffs, dings. It was fouled with degraded flint dust, all inside of the wadding, and a good deal of dust up in the chimney as well. That has all been cleaned out. You probably saw the repair video. There is I'm not sure if that's a mark of corrosion, or that would be my guess. Right there to the right, it's connected to the second tee. There you see another spot of plating loss and minor corrosion. But there to the right of that tee, it looks to me like that is corrosion. It could be over painting, but I don't believe so. Slider's not marked on the bottom. I really wish they were. They are marked on the inside. This particular model has a hinge pin that is visible from the outside. Some of them do not. Still has the original wick and wadding. I just beat the dust out of it. I still don't have my air compressor functioning again. The windscreen on these is very substantial. Not only is it tall, but it is constructed of a heavier gauge metal than most. If you think about it, a lot of flip top petrol lighters with windscreens have a different material that they're constructed of than the rest of the insert. This has the brushed finish on the front and back, and then the high polish around the outside, spines, top, bottom. You saw the hinge, how it is held by a spring that is riveted on, and which also forms the eyelet, which is the chimney that the wick goes down. Safe Driver Awards or something, or other employee type awards. No accidents, years of service. You see those on a lot of different kind of lighters. I've seen that on Zippos. Those, is it Navajo bus line? I've seen several of those with anniversaries or for a certain number of years of service to the company. I would think that Texas Auto Transports was probably an 18-wheeler dragging one of those giant trailers that I don't know how many of those things have. They might have a dozen or more cars on the one trailer. These Windmasters all have a felt pad down in the bottom of the slipcase. You can see that there. I'm not going to pull it all the way out. It's just a regular old felt pad like you would find on the bottom of a lot of lighters. But it's there to, I presume, diminish the evaporation of the fuel. Whether or not that actually helps, can't speak to that. It is marked Remembrance, Brown and Bigelow, St. Paul, Minnesota, USA. Pat's pending. Very nice, I believe, chrome finish. You can see the little short heat-treated steel spring that is on the back of the insert that holds it in place inside that slipcase. And you can also see there that that felt pad that we have on the bottom of the insert is fairly clean on that side. The underneath side of it has some bleeding off of blue dye or some discoloration. This insert needed the flint tube cleared out. The flint had degraded and clogged up the tube, and had also sort of dusted up the windscreen area. So we got that repaired, got it fueled up, and now we have a nice functioning lighter. It does have some scuffs, scratches, plating loss, corrosion, perhaps some minor paint loss to the graphic on the front of the slipcase. Maybe a small dent or two. Looked like there might have been an indentation there on the base. But overall, a very nice lighter in very good condition. See, it's a little bit over fueled there, and that flame is wanting to lick backward. I think that'll calm down once the fuel level is not so volatile. Yeah, if you think about it, I don't know. I got a friend who drives 18-wheelers. I don't know if he ever driven anything as big and heavy. I don't know. Are those trailers that drag those dozen or 20 cars or however many they carry, is that heavier than a tractor full of produce? Or I don't know. Maybe one of you guys can tell me. But anyway, it seems like a job that safe driving would definitely be paramount, and awareness. So somebody who won an award for being a safe driver was likely pretty good at his job, didn't have any accidents, fender benders, back into somebody on accident. Really colorful, nice working lighter. Make sure you get over to our eBay store and check it out. Until next time.